So how did I make $111 trading UNH stock? So basically looking at UNH 527 on the daily charts, which is this candle right here. This candle right here. So basically I bought some stock of UNH on this day, the 27th of May. And basically what I did was I was analyzing the little small support level that UNH was hovering above. So I'm pretty sure I bought anywhere in the 290 or 289 range. And once that occurred, when this day, right, May 27th, once UNH approached one of those numbers, I bought UNH shares, and then I sold out on the 27th, which is let's see, this candle right here. So not March, but June 27th, I sold out the position, and when I sold out the position, I made a gain of $111 trading a couple of UNH stocks, UNH stocks. So basically what I want to show you guys is that you can honestly take advantage of the market you can take advantage of the market. And the reason I say that is because you don't necessarily have to play options. You don't have to play calls or puts. You don't have to day trade. You don't have to swing trade. You could honestly, if I were, a beginner, honestly, I would just stick to trading a little bit of stocks in the beginning, and then after, learning the, learning, how the market works and all this other stuff, then you can jump into options, and then from there you can analyze and be like, well, I like to day trade, I like to swing trade, I like to buy leap options. But let's say you're a risky person that prefers playing options and wants to make that money quick. I wouldn't say quick, but I would more say so that if you want to make a little bit of money quicker than trading stocks, I would personally stick to not day trading or swing trading. I would stick to playing leap options. Leap options are options that expire in 6 months or in a year or 2 years, etc. And basically from there, I would just be very careful of choosing what particular stock that I'm really interested in. From there, I just play options that expire in a year, 2 years, or 6 months. And so let's see if we can make an example out of, let's see, CRM, CRM. So for example, right, CRM, if I were to play CRM, I would patiently wait and see if it can approach this little small support level in the 260 range. So once CRM approaches 260, I would play options that expire in 6 months or in a year. And once CRM bounces off that support level around 260, I would patiently wait and see if it can approach this resistance level of 271. That would basically be my exit point to sell out the position. So basically you would try your best to analyze the chart on the daily chart when you're trading leap options. So for example, let's say for whatever reason you're like feeling confident that let's say you're feeling confident that CRM is struggling, yeah, let's say you're feeling confident, you want to play leap put options on CRM because you feel like CRM is struggling to break above 272, and so you would play a couple of leap options that expire in 6 months or in a year. Once CRM gets rejected by the resistance level of 272, you could sell out your position as soon as it approaches the 50-day moving average. Right now the 50-day moving average reads 269, so when CRM approaches 269, that would be your exit point that you would want to sell out. And basically, just honestly, what I would stick to, if you're trading, like, if you're playing leap options, I would suggest just sticking to the daily chart and adding these moving averages, the 9, 20, 50, 180, and 200-day moving average. Add them to your chart, use them as your entry or exit points. Now this strategy won't always work 100% of the time. You always have to know when to cut your losses at. So you have to keep in mind of knowing that in the market you will always have to take losses, and you will always have to adapt to the market. So for whatever reason somebody tells you that, oh, they're winning and winning and winning, that's not true. It's just how the market works. Honestly, that's all I can tell you. The market, you will always take wins and you will always take losses. There's no other way around that, honestly. So basically, this is probably the easiest strategy that you could try out for yourself. You could just play support or resistance levels on the daily chart and then use the moving averages as your exit points. So like, for example, I just explained to you guys, right now CRM is struggling to break above the 272 resistance level. If CRM does get rejected by the resistance level of 272, me personally, I would sell out the position as soon as one of the daily candles approach the 50-day moving average. That would basically be my exit point. So that's how you could play CRM leap put options. So I guess that's pretty much it. Use this free website called finviz.com. It's totally free. You don't have to pay for anything. And basically, you can just make a watch list of stocks from what this website has given you. So basically, it's going to give you stocks from worst to best, and there you can analyze to whether play calls or puts, and then you can add these stocks to your watch list, make a try to analyze the chart and try to see if that particular stock is approaching resistance level. Maybe you could play leap put options. Maybe that particular stock is about to approach an important support level. Maybe you could play leap call options. So just try your best. Don't worry. In the stock market, you will always take losses, and you'll always make money, obviously, but you have to be disciplined enough. That way when to take your losses and when to take your winners. So that's pretty much it. This is not financial advice. As always, take care and bye.